We are again with the Gobblin,
Ready?
the helicopter. I'm trying to keep up with this damn thing.
Alright, you want me to cut some stuff?
Yeah. Oh, shit. The Gobblin. 3D Gobblin. Yeah, I like it. But see, I never know where the hell you going. He must think that I can just follow his ass. Yeah, just hang. Well, alright, just hang there, buddy. Hang there.
Alright, I'll
Yeah.
tone down.
Yeah,
I'll
tone it down. I'm trying to get people to see what the hell this thing is. The Gobblin. Oh, shit. Yeah. Can you get it sideways? Yeah. So they can get a view of this. There we go. There we go. The Gobblin in the corn. Just tearing everything up. Now he's sideways. Now he wants to go all over the damn place again.
You gonna do a little bit of inverted?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get her set back.
Yeah. As long as I can see what you're doing. There we go. Upside down, we got it. Don't try this at home. And this is not a kid toy.
Oh, it is not.
It is definitely not a kid's toy. This is the real deal. This thing will hurt you if you don't know what you're doing. It will cut you quick. What was that? The tick-tock?
Yeah, that was just a little bit of flicking rude.
Okay. Well, I'm trying to find you now, cause. Okay. Okay. Here we are. All right. What the hell is he trying to do? That is beautiful. What the?
You having trouble there?
Yeah, man. I say so. But this is beautiful, though. Something you don't see again every day. We're filming stuff you don't get to see every day. This is unique. The Gobblin 380. Of course, it's by Gobblin. There he goes on his tangent again. Somewhere up there I see it. All right. Uh-oh. That must be the cue.
Yep. Do a little bit more chopping.
Mayday. All right. The Gobblin, ladies and gentlemen, get yours today.
I don't recommend it.
But it's not for kids. It is not a beginner helicopter.
Let's get a little
Thank you again.
close up. Oh, I need new blades.
All right, there we have it. There we have it. Thanks again. Okay, thank you. My name is Jackson with Jackson RC Aviation. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, tell your friends, and again, we'll see you next time.
Oh, and subscribe to Brandon Spizzo.
Yeah, Brandon Spizzo, he's a good channel too. Thank you, Brandon.